Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and today's video is from sowing to germination, beetroot. Let's get into it. Okay, so I got about 11 over here, so I'm plant 6 in here and 5 on the paper towel. So in each of these seeds there is about 2 to 3 plants. It's time to water them. Let's get them into the zip tie bag, ziploc bag. Day 1 of the sowing, nothing in the soil. Let's check the ziploc bag. Okay, so nothing has sprouted yet in the ziploc bag. Day 3, and the beetroot is busy growing, so it has sprouted, and it seems as 2 plants came out of the one. So the day we stop counting when a plant germinates is the day when the first leaves come out. So this did sprout, but not yet fully. Let's check the paper towel. Nice, most of them has germinated. Okay, this one's still busy there. There's one root there. There's 2 over there, like I said. So like I said, most of these plants with the spinach as well and the beetroot will always have more than 1 plant. As you can see, there's 2 roots in that one, 2 roots over here, and this one over here has 3. And this came out of there, so there's about 3 seeds in a seed. Day 4, so the beetroot in soil takes 4 days to germinate. Let's check the paper towel. You can see the leaves are about to come out, so I'll say the paper towel and the soil takes 4 days to germinate. So I'll say it takes 4 days for the paper towel and 4 days for the potting soil to grow for beetroot. So I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the series. Please leave a like down below. If you're new to my channel, considering subscribing. And if you want to see different type of seeds, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try my best to make videos about it. So thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.